Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. Today in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can change location on Snapchat maps. So I'm gonna be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problems or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Snapchat app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, you'll be in this particular interface. Now just go to maps, and now so you are over here in this particular location. Now just go to a new location. So make sure you are in the ghost mode. So suppose you went to a new location. Now you want to change that location. What you need to do is just go to the settings option, and this ghost mode, just press over here and then choose my friends or anything that you want, and then now you can see your location has been changed. So this is how you're going to be doing. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.